Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video. Today I'm demonstrating the benefits of albums in the Photoshop Elements Organizer, and these can be used for your best photos, for collecting them together, or as a source for projects such as a collage or a slideshow. We can select individual photos and drag onto an existing album, or we can make a brand new album by clicking a block. I'm going to click on this first photo here and shift click on the last one, and then click on the plus icon next to the words My Albums, and you can see on the right that Organizer has collected the selected photos in the panel ready to be put into a named album. So I'm going to call this Christmas Lights. And click OK, and it's telling me that Christmas lights is already being used somewhere else, but I'm going to go ahead and create it anyway because I don't have an album with that name. And there it is. If we go to the album, we can see those photos, and one of the benefits of albums is that we have this extra sort feature, which in addition to newest, oldest, name and import batch, we have album order. And you can see that in the top left of every thumbnail there is a fixed position, and we can drag these around and reorder them, and the numbers will get renamed automatically. For example, if I wanted to select this item and say move it to the second position, I can just drag and drop, and it gets renumbered number 2, and everything else gets numbered sequentially, and those photos will remain in that position. So albums are just like creating a playlist. I mean, your photos still remain in your original folders, nothing changes on disk. So this is just like making an extra subcategory or a collection. So what can we do with these? Well, I said we can already use them for projects, or we can use the F11 key to create an impromptu slideshow. I've got some photos here in an album called Switzerland, and some of these images have captions already as part of the metadata. And so if we press F11 to start a slideshow, we can get an impromptu slideshow immediately. I'll just show you how we do that. So let me close down these boxes which I don't need to see, and then on the bottom we can start playing the slideshow, but go into settings and you have various options. You can allow photos to resize, you can include captions if you've already entered details into the metadata, and you can also select one of the built-in Adobe MP3 tunes or any piece of music from your computer. So we'll click OK and then click the play button to start. So that's the demo on how to make an impromptu slideshow in the Elements Organizer using an album as your source. As I say, on Windows you press F11, on the Mac you can do it from the menu. So I hope you find this useful, these tips for using albums, and hope you go ahead and create a few for your best photos. Thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.